real serious.
Is it like straight to the blood system?
I haven't felt anything, just the flavor. Tastes like I'm chewing on coffee beans. They got pretty much the same control as we do.
Over here?
Pretty sure it's like the most popular kind.
Puddie pie. Puddie pie. Where did she pick this one up? Where she's like,
I don't know. That all day.
she's talking. Yes, you're cute. Yes, you're cute. We know. We know you're cute.
Filming.
Woo.
It's a caramel macchiato.
Pretty good. Not as good as Starbucks.